I am Mohammad Shahinur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Kotchapur Government Pilot Secondary School, Kotchapur, Jhinaya. I am going to take a class for class 8, subject English. Today, I am going to discuss about narration for class 8 standard. Let's go. Narration. At first, we have to know what is narration, what is called narration. Let's know the definition of narration. The speech which is delivered by the speaker is called narration. There are two kinds of narration. There are two kinds of narration. There are two kinds of narration like direct narration and second indirect narration. Indirect narration. Now, we are going to discuss what is the structure of narration. What is the structure of narration? Direct narration. Direct narration. There are two parts of direct narration like there are two parts of direct narration like reporting verb and reported speech. Verb and reported speech. Let's go where reporting verb and reported speech stands for. He says, I am ill. Second sentence, Nasima said to me, you are happy. Look at this. He says, one part, or I am ill, another part. He says is a reporting verb here, and I am ill, which is bordered by inverted comma, is called reported speech. Now, second sentence, Nasima said to me, you are happy. The Nasima said to me is reporting verb here, and you are speech, reported speech here. Let's go to change the from direct narration to indirect narration. We are going to change from direct narration to indirect narration. Look at the blackboard and listen carefully. This is indirect narration. We have to change from it to indirect narration. When we change from indirect narration to direct narration, we have to maintain some rules of narration. When we will change from direct narration to indirect narration, we have to maintain some rules of change of narration. Let's go. When we change indirect to direct, then at first we have to write reporting verb. Rohim says, after reporting verb, that is added as a linker. That is linker of the reporting verb and reported speech. Then of the reported speech, the subject of the reported speech will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Reporting verb, here is reporting verb of subject of reporting verb is Rohim. He. Reporting verb, the sentence of reporting verb is present tense. So, in the indirect narration, reported speech, the sentence tense of reported speech is not changed. He is glad. Then we said, we can say, he said, or if you want, said may be changed to told, and added a linker that. He said that or he told that. At the time of changing of direct narration from indirect narration, the person of reported speech is changed according to some rules. Like if you get any first person in the reported speech, the first person will be changed from the subject of reporting verb. Second person is will change according to the object of reporting verb, and the third person will not change. Third person will not change. Like you, that means very good. Let's clean the blackboard and notice, he said to me, you gave me a food. You gave me food. The part of the narration is called reporting verb. Reporting verb. This part is called reported speech. reported speech. When we will change it to indirect narration, we notice that some sense is formed. He said to me or told me. He told me that like as a linker, the subject of the reported speech will change according to the subject and object of a reporting verb. Here the subject is second person, so it will change the according to the object of reporting verb. Here is object is first person, it will change the subject of reporting verb. Third person, food, is always unchanged, will not change. He told me that you, second person, so it will change the object of the reporting verb. So here will be me, I. The sentence is past indefinite tense here, so it will be changed past perfect tense. So the structure of the past perfect tense: subject, then had, then the past participle form of the verb, main verb, given. Then object me is the first person, so it will change the subject of reporting verb. So here will be him. Food will not change. Another one, he says to me, the reporting verb is present tense here, so he says to me that the reporting verb of the sentence being present tense, at the time of the reported speech, changed will not the tense. Third person not change. Last one, The reporting verb of the sentence is future tense here. So, at the time of changing to indirect narration, it will not change. After linker being future form and reporting verb future form too, so it will not change its tense, only its subject object and another persons will be changed. So, I first person, it will be changed its subject, him, he. You, second person, it will be changed its object. So, here is no object, and that you will be set up. Let's go how to change to the indirect narration when the reporting verb is separate sentences. Let's go for work. According to 5 kinds of sentence, the rules of changing of narration are separately system. Let's notice how we can change the different kinds of sentence of reported speech. Okay. I said to him, it will be sent. He said to him, or he told him. Let's look like. Told. All are correct. We can use anyone. Linker that the sentence is assertive sentence. So, when the reported speech is assertive sentence, the sense of the reporting verb, I said to him or I told him, and then that will be added as a linker from reporting verb and reported speech. You, second person, so subject, object, it will be changed according to the object of it, him, he, called past indefinite form. It will be changed past participle, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, it had called me, first person, so it will change according to subject. Me and I are same, so me. As a result, we can write I told him. I told him that another sentence. Let's discuss another sentence. notice that the reported speech of the sentence is interrogative sentence. So, there are another system here. When the reported speech of the direct narration at the time of the changing from the sentence ask or asked will be added after the subject of reporting verb, like he asked, he asked, as the sentence of reported speech is interrogative sentence, so after the subject of reporting verb is added asked, and here is if or whether is used, if or whether is used as a linker. When the indirect sentence is interrogative sentence of its reported speech. If or he asked if or whether, as you like best. You can use or we can use if or whether as a linker. Notice that the sentence is interrogative here, but when we change its indirect sentence, it is not stand for. It will change and it will be assertive sentence. So, subject you, the you is, the you will be changed its object as second person you. So, the object of the reporting verb is me. So, here will be I. I, present indefinite tense, it will be past indefinite tense here, new. Knew, if I knew me, first person, so it will be changed its subject. He asked if I knew him. Another one, it was they said to us, did you play football yesterday? The sentence of reported speech is interrogative sentence here. So, after the subject of reporting verb is added ask or asked. The reporting verb is past form বা past tense. So, here will be added the past form of ask. As a linker, we can use if or whether, anyone. Since the sentence is interrogative, so as a linker, if or whether, we use if here. If subject you and its second person, so it will be change its object we. If we, since the sentence is past form, so it will be past participle form here. We had played, football, third person, so it will not be changed. Yesterday, the alternative form of word, the previous day. It's an example. The indirect narration, when the reported speech is interrogative sentence. Now, let's discuss the system of change or the rules of the narration when the reported speech is imperative sentence. Let's go to work. All are imperative sentence. When the imperative sentence is used, the part of a sentence of direct narration, then the sentence, then the narration will be changed to indirect narration. We have to maintain, we have to follow the some rules. reporting verb, reported speech. When reported speech is imperative sentence is used according to some rules. Subject he. The imperative sentence indicates order. The imperative sentence to do the work indicates order. So, after the subject of the reporting verb will be added order. Here is past tense, so it will be past form, ordered. He ordered the system of changing of imperative sentence is very nice. Like he ordered to do. Before the principal verb, before the verb of the imperative sentence will be added to. Direct narration, reporting verb, reported speech. Reported speech, imperative sentence. So, changeable indirect narration, subject, ordered, order is used, finite verb here. So, this finite verb of course will be changed as non-finite verb. Other will as well. Another one, the teacher said to us, read attentively. Read attentively is a sentence and it is also an imperative sentence. So, when we will go to change the sentence from indirect to direct to indirect, we have to do something change. The teacher, read attentively, the sentence is clearly advisable. So, after the subject of reporting verb will be added advised. The teacher advised us to read attentively. To read Let's clean the blackboard. Another one example of imperative sentence. Father said to me, don't run in the sun. Another sentence of imperative sentence. So, father, the subject of finite reporting verb, don't run in the sun, the sentence being formidable, we used the after the subject of reporting verb forbid. Father forbade me. What have to do now? Make an infinitive. Make an infinitive or make an infinitive phrase. Father forbade me to run in the sun. On the other hand, if we don't run in the sun, mention advisable sentence, then father ordered. Ordered. Father ordered me. What ordered me? Father, what ordered me? Not to run in the sun. Don't run, not to run. Not to run. Let's close the class today. After closing the class, we have to mind something. Since an hour ago, we discussed the narration of the sentence, definition of narration, classification of narration. I discussed detached narration. Since the class is class 8 standard, in the syllabus of JSC exam, JSC curriculum, passage narration. When we learn the passage narration, we must learn detached narration before the learning of passage narration. In this crisis moment, we all should pray for Allah, Almighty Allah. You must keep fresh. Long live Bangladesh. Long live Bangladeshi people. Thank you.